Introducing Blue Turtle, a new era in diverless underwater cavitation cleaning by Cavitcleaner. Powered by the proven BlueROV2 with heavy configuration by Blue Robotics, the Blue Turtle transforms your existing BlueROV into a high-performance sub-sea cleaning system. At the heart of the system is the Cavitcleaner Stingray paired with a custom-engineered mounting bracket, designed and manufactured by our team. This allows seamless integration with your own Blue Robotics ROV, or you could purchase the complete ROV package with attachments. For even greater cleaning power, the Blue Turtle can be equipped with an EVO 2 or EVO 3 retrojet nozzle, giving you the ability to clean virtually anything subsurface, like hulls, props, pontoons, chains, etc., with precision and efficiency.